Let's take a look at the salary basis test. To be exempt, executive, administrative, and professional employees must also be paid salaries. Employees must be paid at least $455 per week to qualify for any of the white collar exemptions. Pay of more than $100,000 per year creates a presumption of exempt status. At this minimum salary level, an employee who earns as little as $23,660 per year could still be exempt. In 2016, the DOL attempted to increase the minimum salary level required to be exempt to $913 per week. Some business organizations and state governments challenged the new regulation, and a district court eventually ruled that the DOL had exceeded its authority by increasing the minimum salary level so substantially. Salary level is not the only relevant consideration. Sometimes a question arises about whether the method of payment, regardless of the amount, is truly a salary. A salary can be contrasted with an hourly wage, in which pay is closely calibrated to the time put in, or with a piece rate system in which pay is directly based on the volume of output. A salary is a pre-specified sum that an employee is paid for the responsibilities associated with the position. The amount of time needed and the quality and quantity of work will likely vary from week to week and are not the basis for payment. Employers certainly benefit when salaried, exempt employees put in long hours for no extra pay. If employees are not paid on a salary basis, they are not exempt from the FLSA's requirement, regardless of how obviously executive, administrative, or professional their job duties. This approach to determining whether employees are paid on a salary basis is known as the DOL's pay docking rule. Under the pay docking rule, exempt employees must receive predetermined amounts of pay not subject to reduction due to variations in the quantity or quality of their work. Employers cannot reduce pay for partial day absences for personal reasons, for time missed due to jury duty or temporary military leave, or for temporary business closings when the employee would be able to work. However, exempt status is not jeopardized by deductions for absences of a day or more for personal reasons, for absences due to sickness, for unpaid disciplinary suspensions, or for periods of unpaid leave under the FMLA. To be clear, the pay docking rule does not make it illegal for an employer to dock the pay of a salaried employee, but if they do, the employees may no longer be considered exempt because they are not paid a genuine salary. A group of otherwise exempt white-collar employees was found not to be exempt because their employer made deductions from their base salary. Employers should be careful not to dock the pay of exempt executive, administrative, or professional employees for lack of available work to perform, partial day absences for personal reasons, and for time spent on jury duty. Employers should establish and communicate clear policies prohibiting improper deductions from the pay of exempt employees and providing a mechanism for handling complaints about any such deduction. Employees who are nonetheless subjected to improper deductions should be properly reimbursed.